winds, which is good news for the next couple of days, so not quite so chilly, and we've high pressure not too far from our doorstep. But that doesn't last long either, because by midweek we see this major Atlantic low sweeping in, wet weather, windy weather once again, and then it's only towards next weekend that we see things starting to perhaps settle down again as high pressure starts to move in from the Atlantic. So one more day down the east coast of chilly winds, then we pick up something milder for a time, southwesterly winds, but even those don't last long. We pick up that north to northwesterly wind once again from midweek onwards, and we're almost back to square one. But it's not just here in the British Isles that we're having an early taste of autumn. At Le Mans last night it was really quite chilly, as you can see. 4 degrees Celsius here, quite a far cry from the 10th of September 1999, when we had near record-breaking daytime temperatures then, well above the September average. But we have to go a little further south to find that sunshine and that warmth for the next couple of days. As you can see, Madrid's still around 31 degrees. But even at Istanbul, we're going to see quite a drop in temperatures as the showers arrive and those northerly winds right the way across Eastern Europe. For today, it's still quite chilly with that brisk wind down the North Sea coast. That's easing all the time, and it will feel a little warmer for many if you do have some sunshine. But the sunshine is lacking at the moment. As you can see, the cloud's been building up, and we've got some thick cloud in the north here. That is producing a little bit of rain and drizzle, not much, nuisance value more than anything else, but it will creep into eastern Scotland this afternoon, probably down into northwest England and perhaps North Wales too. But for many, dry and fairly bright with a little hazy sunshine and just a rogue shower. And the weather front that's slipping southeast will give no more than the odd light spot of rain tonight, really. But what it will do is, after a cold night last night when we had perhaps a touch of ground frost in places, it will mean a milder night for most of us. Saying that, it could get quite chilly for a time down towards Kent, with here the cloud arriving late in the day, but it'll be here that cloud and patchy rain is around tomorrow morning. It won't take long to clear, and then for most it looks dry and bright, not wall-to-wall sunshine, but in the sunshine perhaps 17 in Aberdeen, 20 in Cardiff and London. But the cloud will be thickening all the time in the northwest late in the day ahead of this significant low for Wednesday. So wet and windy for many northwestern areas. Even the showers following to Northern Ireland and Scotland will be heavy with blustery winds. And even if we escape with a mostly dry day in the southeast, that rain will be around first thing. And then it's a very showery and unsettled picture for Thursday. The showers should become confined to eastern areas for Friday, but still that strong wind. So it is all changed by midweek before those northerly winds return later.